Well, this is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Word document on your Android phone. So you can very easily just go to the Google Play Store right here and tap this. And we can get Word. If we go to search, we can just go to the top and we can just type in Microsoft Word and see if that pops up. Otherwise we have to spell it Microsoft and then go to Word and then go to search. And on here we have Microsoft 365. We could try that one. That one's Copilot. So we want to go down to this one right here, Microsoft Word, Edit Documents. So let's go to Install. And then we can go to Continue. And then we can skip this. The app will soon be installed. We can go up the top and we can just wait for it to install now. Okay, it's complete. Let's go ahead and just open this up. Okay, and then we can decide don't allow notifications. And then we can sign up for free. And then we go through this process to get this. And then we can go to next. Okay, for some reason it wasn't working on my Samsung A16, but it worked on my Google Pixel. I was able to sign in. Now, using Microsoft Word or Office on your phone, this does require some sort of subscription, but we can just go to close up here if we don't want to go and just try this. So it says wait before you go, unlock the full access. We can go to try later. So we have all our different documents on here and stuff. Now what we can do is just go to the plus icon. And we can go on down to where it says blank document. So this is under OneDrive. And we have a Word document that we can start up right here. So we can just type something in, and then we go to save, or save as. We can decide what kind of document we want to save it as. So it's going to be .docx, that's a Word document. You can save it on this device, OneDrive. So we can go to this device. So you'll need to allow access in settings if you want to go ahead and just save it there. Then we can go back, and then we can just save it, come up with a name for it. So we should be able to save it now in here and choose the location. Let's go to Documents, and then we can save it into here. Okay, so that is a Word document. We can just swipe up now, go to Files, and then we can find it wherever we saved it. So it should be under Recents. So if we save it under Downloads or Documents, I think I saved it in my Documents. And then we go into here and just open this up. And we go to Word. And then we should be able to use it. So let's go to Word, just once or always. And here's my document. So you can share this document if you want, but it's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.